Apostrophes, Where Do They Go? Starring Aaron and Sam. We're here today to talk about a terrible tragedy that is sweeping our planet.
No, it's not the disappearance of your favorite brands from the store, courtesy of those dastardly brand police.
Nor is it that scented kitty litter that makes your pet smell so weird. It's apostrophe abuse! Those poor, lost, lonely apostrophes. You see them everywhere. But these days, they seem to be in all the wrong places. Nearly every day, I spotted another apostrophe being abused or misused from far from it where it belongs.
Think about it. Punctuation helps us make sense. Look at these two phrases. No, really? No, really. You can't put question marks where exclamation points go.
Yet many people use apostrophes where they don't belong and forget where they do belong. English is confusing enough without random apostrophes wandering around. So we are going to teach you how to help these poor stray apostrophes find their way home. You don't have to be a grammar nitpicker
Or an English teacher.
to understand these lessons. Apostrophes belong in 3 places. That's it!
Contractions, possessive nouns, and nested quotations.
Contractions are 2 or more words squished together. When words are squished together, letters begin to drop out. The apostrophes show missing letters. And okay, like could have, could of. It is, it's. 2007, 07. Wait.
No, put it in front of the O. Good.
2007, 9 of the clock, 9 o'clock.
Wait, where's the apostrophe go?
Oh, after the
It goes where the missing letters
yeah, go.
were taken out.
9 o'clock.
Good.
There.
Contractions are informal, so you shouldn't use them in formal research papers or magazine articles. But they show the way people really talk, so they're useful for writing down conversations.
They also sound more friendly.
So how do you know when to use apostrophes when you're writing? Well, one time to use apostrophes is when you have possessive nouns.
Possessive nouns? What's that again?
Well, remember the definition of a noun from school? A noun is a person, place, or thing. Possession means ownership, so a possessive noun is a noun that owns another noun. Add apostrophe s to the end of a noun to show that it is the owner.
So with the possessive nouns, the apostrophe shows who owns what. Like dog's nose, John's cars, America's soldiers in a year's time.
If you think about it, the apostrophe is indicating missing letters here, too, namely the word of. The dog's nose is the nose of the dog. So one way to check yourself is to ask yourself what letters are missing.
What about words that already end in S?
In that case, just add the apostrophe after the word. In Massachusetts, governor. And for plurals, you just write this shows we're talking about more than one dog. Or Jones's house. Singular proper name ends in S. Just add apostrophe S, even though it looks funny. For example, Tom Jones' tie. That is the tie of Tom Jones. Tom Jones' tie is not correct because his name is not Joan.
What about two names separated by and?
Ooh, you're being nitpicky here. Well, just in case it ever comes up, here's what you do. Let's say you have two people, and they're named Bill and Ted, and they go on an excellent adventure with each other. Then you put Bill and Ted's excellent adventure. Bill's and Ted's excellent adventure would not be correct because that would be like they're going on separate excellent adventures. If you're talking about separate ownership, then each name gets an apostrophe S afterwards. Like Bill's and Ted's underwear. Turns out that they're not wearing the same underwear after all.
But those are all rare special cases.
90% of the time, add apostrophe S to make a noun on another noun.
Apostrophe plus S means
possession, not plural.
We would really like to tell you more about apostrophes, but we're going to tell you in the next episode of Apostrophes, Where Do They Go? Where Do They Go? Starring Aaron!
I can't see you, Aaron.
It's because
Zoom out.
you gotta...
I can't. How do I stop this? Did that stop it?
Those lone lost apostrophes, you see them everywhere being abused from their far away from home.
What?
Those lonely apostrophes, you see them everywhere. One day I saw another apostrophe being abused from where it belongs, from its far. Those lonely apostrophes. Every day I spot another apostrophe being abused where it belongs. I'd like to stay. English is a confusing way without apostrophes. Many people forget where apostrophes do. English isn't confusing enough with random apostrophes running around. Yet many people do.
If you think about it, the apostrophe is indicating missing letters here too. You restart that.
Yeah.
Good. If you think about it, the apostrophe is mainly. If you think about it, the apostrophe is. If you think about it, the apostrophe is indicating missing letters here too, namely the word of.